Stop wasting 20 minutes trying to de-seed peppers with a knife when this 2-in-1 tool does it in seconds. I'm telling you, this little gadget completely changed how I meal prep. You know that frustrating moment when you're trying to clean out a bell pepper and seeds are flying everywhere? Those stubborn seeds that stick to your cutting board like glue? Gone. This genius design has 2 cores in one. The long one tackles jalapenos and chilies, while the short one fits bell peppers perfectly. Just push, twist, and pull. The entire core comes out clean in one motion. No more scraping seeds with your fingers or chasing them around your counter. I tested this on 6 different peppers yesterday, and each one took literally 5 seconds to core completely. The serrated edges are sharp enough to cut through cleanly, but safe enough that I don't worry about accidents. My meal prep time went from an hour to 20 minutes, and my kitchen stays spotless. If you're tired of the pepper seed chaos, grab this 3-pack now and transform your cooking routine forever.